We have arrived at our room at Art of Animation. This is the standard room here at Art of Animation. This is the one that is not a larger family suite. It is just like every other hotel room for 2 to 4 people. And only the Little Mermaid rooms here are the standard rooms. The Cars rooms and the Nemo rooms and the Lion King rooms are all family suite. But this is the standard Little Mermaid room, and they delivered our luggage for us. So we left that here because by the time we got here from the airport, our room was not ready for us yet. So we dropped off our luggage and they very kindly brought it into the room for us once our room was ready. So it was here waiting for us. As you can see, it is very late. So this is going to be fairly quick, but we have 2 regular plugs and 2 USBs and 2 more regular plugs and 2 more USBs, and kind of standard value resort little coffee setup here, ice bucket. Looks like it is an adjoining room, but we don't know the folks on the other side of this door, so we'll be leaving that locked. But this little octopus coat hanger guy is stinking adorable. There are 2 beds. I honestly don't recall if they're double or queen. They look kind of small. They might just be 2 doubles. One thing that is neat is that you've got this great space under the beds, under both of the beds, to stow your luggage. So if you're here for a while and have more than a couple of carry-ons we have for this trip, you can just shove your suitcases here under the bed and get them out of the way and not waste space that way. Also, there is 1 nightstand here between the 2 beds. It has 2 regular plugs and 2 USB plugs, a phone, little drawer, and little space down underneath for your stuff. But yeah, it's just the 1 nightstand between the 2 beds, which is kind of lame. Yeah, I like this. This art from The Little Mermaid with Max. I love Max. And then this is the curtain that separates. I wanted to show, can you stretch it out? Yeah, there we go, thank you. Yeah, this is the curtain that separates the main part of the room from the bathroom, and it's got this great scene on it from the Under the Sea song in the movie with the turtle and the octopus and these little snail guys down here. It's really pretty great.
Yeah. The other little details, like the table that has the actual sheet music, and what I've heard, that's the actual sheet music to that song. It's not just we threw in some, we just made it look like it, and you can play that.
Yeah. But yeah, so we come into the bathroom, and on our left we have this little closet space. Ironing board, iron, safe, Extra pillow, extra blanket, a couple of towels, some hangers, and a luggage rack. Thank you. And then we have this kind of little counter. It's not got a whole lot of counter space to speak of, but it'll see to our needs for the next couple of days. We're only here for 2 nights. But yeah, this is the mirror and the lights. The lights are shaped like seashells. Mirror, and then you got your lighted frack over here. There you go. See, it lights up. And then this is the water closet and shower room. I do dig the tile floor here in the bathroom. That's kind of neat. And the shower curtain of Ariel in her little treasure cavern. And here is the actual shower itself.
The rest of her stuff.
Which has, yeah, the rest of her treasure cavern. There's your shower head. Bathtub. Yeah, that's really pretty cool.
Installed.
Oh, yes, and we have shampoo and conditioner and body wash installed in the shower for you. I do not like the shampoo. Most people seem to. I do not personally care for it at all. So just kind of take that for whatever it's worth. Like I said, most people seem to like it a lot. But maybe if you're coming to Disney World for your first visit, maybe bring what you know you like and then try out what they have and see what you prefer.
Yeah. I thought I heard good things about the body wash, but I don't remember whether or not I was that into it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the body wash isn't my favorite, but at least that lathers up. Like, that's my problem with the shampoo mainly, is that it does not lather in my hair for love or money. But yeah, and we're back to the front door we came in. We are going to put this room occupied sign on the door and get some much needed sleep. So good night, and we will see you tomorrow.